Perfect, perfect, perfect. Okay, so we're gonna make a turkey tart, which is gonna be really fun. So we have some breast meat, been sliced thinly. It was smoked on the Mac with Desert Gold. I got some mashed potatoes, stuffing, gravy, and cranberry. This is gonna get kind of fun. I got a little bit of flour to spread around here so I don't get stuck too bad. Okay, we're gonna undo this puff pastry. Reduce the flour just a little bit. Just want it to be a little barrier. Think I'm looking good? We're gonna cook this at 375 degrees on the Mac 2-Star General, one of my favorite cookers ever. Got it in rectangles here. I'm gonna pull them a little bit so I get a little more room. You can roll them out if you want. I'm just gonna pull them out. Start getting more stuff inside there. So there's one, there's two, three, tear there, that's fine. And four. Look, at 4 should be enough. 4 should be more than enough. Here we go, pay close attention here, because I am. Let's do stuffing first. Do it on half of one like this. So what this is gonna be is turkey dinner in an elevated hot pocket. Gonna smash it there. We're using this stuffing as a barrier. Fold it over turnover style. Should be pretty easy. Next, mashed potatoes. You guys know me well. You know I use baggies for a lot of this stuff. Spread it, layer it across there like that. Don't want to make it too thick, because we want the turkey to be the star as usual. But these sides are sort of critical. Look at all these leftovers going into something that's really kind of nifty, kind of fun. Did I say nifty? I haven't said that in a few years. All squared up nicely. Now it's time for the turkey. Don't be afraid to load it in there. We like turkey. It's a lot of our excuse for Thanksgiving. Look at this, almost done. Okay, now comes the gravy. Put in the gravy so it doesn't interfere with the bottom of the tart. Is a tart a good word? Turnover, turkey turnover? How about a Papa Delight? Let's just call it a Papa Delight. Cranberry sauce, real cranberry sauce from my buddies at Trader Joe's. Never let you down. Okay, here comes the fun part. Okay, that one wasn't as neat as it could be. They'll get better, I promise you. By the last one, you're gonna say, you're a real tart maker. Okay, I'm gonna tighten them up. I'm gonna get the egg wash ready and then we're gonna put them on the cooker. I'll be right back. Okay, egg wash. 2 eggs, beaten, splash of water. Now, they're not that pretty because some of the folding isn't as good as it should be. A lot of my peers are gonna be laughing at me, but they're not when they see people bite into this. So we're just gonna give it a nice little brushing, and then they're gonna go in the smoker, and then I'm gonna show you how happy these make me. Remember, Big Papa's turkey turnovers. If you get little holes in the puff pastry, just use some of your trims to patch them up. It's fine. Like I said, I'm not entering a French pastry contest. I'm a barbecue cook who likes to cook in the kitchen too. Go for the ideas more than some of the beauty here because I know they're a little bit homely. So here we have it. 4 Big Papa's turkey tarts, egg wash, onto the Mac at 375, and then I'll be back to show you deliciousness. Okay, boys and girls, Papa's Thanksgiving tarts. Okay, a couple of holes. They're not beautiful. This one looks like it's gonna burst. Here we go. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Well, I'm pretty happy with these little bad boys. Delicious. Papa's Thanksgiving turkey tart. Boom.